219 days ago, another war started. Yes, in Israel against Hamas, and it's still continuing. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, May the 13th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve this afternoon these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku. This will be number 8, 5. Let me see. 8, 5, double 2. Yeah, 8, 5, double 2. This will be 8, 5, double 2. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Usually a puzzle with 26 printed digits is a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this last column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay, and now let me see. 8, 8. Well, we have 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, now 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. 4, 4. How about the number 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well, yeah. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 7? Well, 1. 5, 5. Well. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 7, 1, 7, 1, 5. All right, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 999. Interesting. 9. Yeah. 1. Come on. 256. 256. No. 7 in the last row. 7 in that row. So the row between only two places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. And I need a 5 and the 1 here. Well. 7. Come on. Need a 1 here. Well. 1, 9, 4, 8, 4, 3, 3. Need a 6. Need a 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. 7. Come on. 1, 2, 5. 2 and the 6. Yeah. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Here the same numbers. 2 and a 6. Okay. So we need a number here. I need a 5 here. Well, missing the 5 there. 2, 6. I need a 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Come on, 1. 1, 2, 6 in the 5. 2, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Overlook this 6. 1 box left in this row for number 2. So the 5 and the 6 are missing here. Well, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. We have 5 here. In the middle column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5. In this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the first row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, let me see. 4. Need a 4 here, and I need a... Well. 2. 2. Well. 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the last column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. So 1 number left in the last column. Oh, two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. How about 9, need a 9 there. 9, need a 9 there, need a 9 here. Come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 9. Okay, well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Two missing numbers in the first row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left with 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1 in the 7, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then let me see. 2, 9, 7. 2, 9, 7. Come on. Let me see. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 4, a should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And these 3 missing numbers are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. No 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Finished in 15 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.